In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the oil in the hydraulic system on this Case 644. Now, although this tractor is hydraulically driven, as well as the loader, it does not use hydraulic oil. It uses motor oil in the hydraulic system. I'll go over the type of oil I'll use. I'll show you a couple different ways to drain it, and I'll show you how to prime the system before you start up the tractor. We'll get this oil all changed. It shouldn't take too long. If you drain it through the travel control valve, that's what's going to take the longest. You might drain for about 45 minutes, but you can pull a hose off here and there and drain it quicker as well.
Now if you come underneath the tractor, right there is your travel control valve. And you see that little 1/4 inch hex screw right there? If you take that out, that serves as a good drain. But if you drain through there, it's going to take about 45 minutes to drain out all the oil, but you can also turn over the engine to help it drain a little quicker. Over here on the right side of the tractor, this is the oil cooler. If you want to undo this line, slide this over, the oil will drain a lot quicker. Just make sure you have a big catch bucket underneath it. So those are probably the two easiest drain locations. There's another procedure where you can actually undo the oil lines from each cylinder. Stroke the cylinders to get all the oil out of each cylinder. That gets out all the residual fluid throughout the entire tractor. But I find if you just do this simple drain and refill every year, it costs you about 24 bucks worth of oil, but the oil never gets that dirty, and you change it much quicker this way. Now that you've got your oil all drained out, put that set screw back in or reconnect your hose, and then we're going to add some oil. Now I like Rotella 1540. You can get these 4-quart jugs on sale at Walmart for 12 bucks. So you're going to want to pick up 2 of these, and we'll start adding that oil back in. I like to prime it, and I do that by removing the spark plug. And I just crank the engine over about 3 seconds at a time. Let it sit for 3 seconds, crank it again for 3 seconds. And what that does, it starts to suck the oil down into the hydraulic pump so that when you start it up and it revs up to 3000 RPM, the pump is already full of oil. And this tractor takes about 5.5 quarts to refill it. I've got it all refilled, I've got it primed, I've got the spark plug back in. It's time to head outside and put this tractor back to work for another year. Congratulations on changing the oil in your hydraulic system on your Case loader tractor. Hope this video was helpful and informational. Thanks for watching.